Hartley, for your birthday? Look, people are throwing fireworks. It is crazy. Oh, wait, they stopped. Damn. It's not even Canada Day. I think it's for your birthday. For your birthday. They're putting fireworks. The whole world. Alright, let me see. Happy birthday, Hartley. Happy birthday to you. Those are pretty nice, actually. Tree display from my bedroom. Everybody's celebrating Hartley's birthday. Everyone. Wow, that's actually pretty sick. I won't lie. They clapped. I think that was the finale for your birthday. I would not be surprised. I would be content for fireworks for my birthday. So you best be or I'm going to kill you.